You lost your temper, you shouted, maybe you said something very harsh. And now your child is looking at you with those big, confused eyes and asking,
Did you shout at me?
And here's the thing, this question doesn't carry attitude, it carries fear. When you shout, here's what a 3 to 5 year old experiences. A safe person suddenly feels dangerous. Their nervous system goes into threat mode, fight, flight, or freeze. Their trust cracks. A little shouting doesn't teach discipline. It teaches the person I love you most can hurt me. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Shouting breaks safety faster than any broken rule ever could. So if the child says,
Why did you shout at me?
Parents' wrong response would be, because you weren't listening, you made me shout. If you had just obeyed the first time, I wouldn't have gotten angry or something. Parents, pause. Why this is damaging? You just did two things. First, blamed them for your emotional reaction. Second, taught them that they are responsible for managing adults' emotions too. And that's called emotional guilt. And it's toxic. So rewind this. Child asks,
Why did you shout at me?
Parents' right response could be, they can sit down, get to their level, takes a breath. You are right to ask that question. I shouted and that wasn't okay. I was feeling frustrated because you weren't listening. But shouting was my choice. You didn't make me shout. I made that choice. And it was the wrong one. Pause. Let that land. You didn't deserve to be shouted at. I'm sorry. I'm still learning how to handle my big feelings better. Next time, I'll use my calm voice, even when I'm upset. Open your arms and ask, can I hug? I love you, even when I miss. What just happened? You took ownership. I shouted, not because of you. I'm shouted because of me. You apologized, modeled accountability. You didn't justify. You didn't say that you were being bad or something. You repaired, because hugs equals reconnection. You repaired by giving hugs. This teaches your child adults make mistakes too. Apologies are important. Relationships can be repaired. Love doesn't disappear when someone messes up. That last one, that's huge. Every time you lose your cool, and you will be a human. Use this. Acknowledge. I shouted, was harsh, said something mean. I apologize. I'm sorry. That wasn't okay. Explain. I was feeling whatever emotion you were feeling, but that's not an excuse. And comment. Next time I'll try to be at my better behavior. Lastly, reconnect. Physical touch, eye contact, I love you. This isn't weakness, this is emotional leadership. Sometimes you are too escalated to respond well. And that's okay. Say this. I'm feeling very angry right now and I need a break. So I don't say something I will regret. I'm going to maybe take a walk, sit in the other room, take deep breaths for a few minutes. This isn't your fault. I'll come back when I'm calm. Then actually come back and then repair. Don't ever storm off in silence. That's terrifying for a child. Never ever give the cold shoulder. Punishment through withdrawal. Never pretend it didn't happen. Teaches emotional dishonesty. Repair matters more than being right. At 3 to 5, kids don't remember lectures, they remember how safe they felt with you. At 3 to 5 years, your child is learning one critical lesson. Are my feelings safe with you? Every response you give is a vote. Yes, you are safe. or no, hide your heart. Choose wisely, choose connection. Emotional Ninja Club, where hearts learn to speak. So stay connected for the next episodes of the series where we are talking about the ages 6 to 8. Thanks for watching.